Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change location on Netflix. In order to change location on Netflix, you will need to use Virtual Private Network. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser, and some of the best trustworthy VPNs are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, SurfShark, Proton VPN, and much more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the NordVPN. In the URL box, type in nordvpn/nordvpn.com/download. From the official website for NordVPN, click on the Download App button. Your NordVPN setup file has now been downloaded at the top right. Click on Open File and follow through the installation process. Start setting up your NordVPN on your device. Select your location and click on Next. Now your NordVPN installer will be downloaded. After it is done, open up the NordVPN application, or it may also open up automatically. Now choose whether you'd like to locate your NordVPN on desktop shortcut or startup menu shortcut. If you want to do both, click on both of the boxes and click Next. Click on the Install button and then wait for the rest of the process to complete. Once the VPN is installed on your computer, launch it open and select a preferred location. After selecting the location, you will then need to open up the Netflix website back again, and by doing so, you will be able to change your location with the help of a VPN server. That is the only way you can change your location on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.